Inside the dishwasher there's a couple of different things that you need to check before you use it for the first time. Inside the detergent dispenser, press a small lever and that will open. That's where you put your dishwasher tablet ready for the wash. Put it in, press it closed firmly. Next to this you've got the rinse aid container. Twist it slightly and pull off. This is where you put the rinse aid in and the machine will automatically dispense it as it's required. Put the lid back on, press down into place and turn until it's locked. The last thing is the salt container. Unscrew this, take the lid off. That should be filled with dishwasher specific salt. Do not use regular table salt in there. Once that's filled, take the cap, put it back on in a clockwise direction and make sure it's tight. Wipe up any excess salt. Some tips for usage. On the top basket, you'll normally notice it's got two sets of wheels. This is so you can adjust the height. To do this, simply flip over the ends, pull the basket out, and then it can be adjusted to the higher or the lower setting as required. Line the wheels up, slide the rollers over on both sides, and then flip the end caps over. This can then be closed. In the bottom, you've got a spray arm that can be pulled up and out to check it's clean. You've also got a filter. Twist and pull up. That can be checked, and also the internal filter can be checked. These should be cleaned regularly for optimum performance. When putting it back in, place inside the machine and twist until it locks into place. Spray arm will then slot downwards back into place. To confirm both spray arms are working, you can spin them round and ensure they're moving freely. When you finish the cycle, you can wipe around the door seals to remove any food debris. And it's always recommended to leave the door slightly open to prevent any smells building up inside.